Salamun alaikum, kids. Today we have a story that tells us about the greatest love and sacrifice, the story of the 2 pieces of Gunny.
An ordinary morning in the village. Grandpa has made wudu and performs the duha prayer.
Bismillah.
Grandma milks the cows in the barn.
MashaAllah, my daughter.
My aunt washes the dishes from the breakfast. Each of the children is at the top of a tree. I have no energy even for getting up. Since we have returned from enjoying the sea, I have been sick. In the mornings, I lie on my grandfather's divan. In the evenings, my aunt leaves an extra mattress by my grandmother's side. There my grandmother lays me down. I'm supposed to be in her sight. She really takes care of me.
Who stays inside during summer? Everyone's in the courtyard. Just lie down here and watch around. You won't get bored.
Sometimes I imagine myself on an animal documentary set, filming a documentary about chickens, sheep, and horses. I gathered so many elements while lying on the divan about their life. For example, chickens don't move without a leader. Mr. Cock keeps a sharp lookout. How well he looks after them all. But if another male appears, competition immediately starts. He states his boundaries by pushing, pecking, and flapping his wings violently. The fight starts when those boundaries are crossed. I watch the sheep as they go to the pasture. Their bleating is like a tune. Yes, they can be a bit noisy sometimes, but usually they are calm animals. What amazes me most is when the lambs find their mothers and start to suckle. How do they manage to do this in the crowd, though they all look alike? Their physical features also draw my attention. Having eyes on either side provides a very wide field of vision for them, so said my grandfather. Their night vision is also great, but the poor things are colorblind. I wonder what color they see us in. My favorites are my grandfather's horses. When I say horses, I mean just the 2 of them. They are so noble that what surprises me most while watching them is how they sleep standing up. It's a precaution against predators, so that they can run away quickly. My grandfather can tell when they are happy, scared, or sad from their voices. Their vocal cords are specially structured. It turns out that the sound they make in each emotion is different. Oh, and I find it really funny when they scratch each other's backs. I wonder how they address each other while neighing. Bro, my back itches. Can you scratch it for me? Is that what they say? While watching them, I often think about Allah's creation. The creation of each animal seems like a miracle to me. Witnessing this miracle increases my love for my Lord.
Salamun alaikum, my grandson. I see you're filming again.
Alaikum salam, Grandpa. The first step is to collect a lot of data. I am watching. Inshallah, later, may what you said happen, and I can film the wonderful life of these animals.
As you shoot, you must convey the secret of this wonderful life to the viewers.
Secret?
Yes, secret. You know this.
Are you referring to the art of Allah, Grandpa?
Yes, my dear. Each one is a manifestation of Allah's name, Al-Musawwir. You know that if you don't include this theme in your documentary, it will be completely devoid of content.
Yes, Grandpa.
I'm going inside to prepare for the evening.
Okay, Grandpa. My grandpa went inside, and I laid my head on my pillow that smells like white soap to sleep a little longer. When I opened my eyes, my head was on my grandmother's knee. My fever had risen, and she gave me medicine and laid me down on her lap. It got dark. Everyone was on the divan. Apparently, the time had come. I sat up. My grandmother wiped my sweat.
You're fine, thank Allah.
He made me wear a vest and placed a pillow behind me. My grandfather was coming after making wudu. He had 2 pieces of gunny in his hand. He sat on the couch. Showing the worn-out pieces of cloth in his hand, he said,
Hajar, my dear daughter, if we sew a dress for you with this fabric, would you wear it?
A shrill voice came from Hajar. Are you going to have it made from old worn-out fabric, Grandpa? My grandfather turned to me, as if to say, what about you? He looked into my eyes. I bent my head. Grandpa started telling it.
When the father of a boy called Abduluzza passed away at an early age, his uncle took him under his wing. He raised him and made him a property owner. Abduluzza, who owned camels, sheep, and slaves in his youth, heard the invitation of our dear Prophet ﷺ. The religion of Islam captured his heart. One day he spoke to his uncle about this new religion. His uncle got angry with him and dropped the subject. When the topic came up again, his uncle threatened him by saying that he should stay away from Muhammad. And if he became one of the believers, he would take back everything he had given. Abduluzza risked everything. Even if he lost his wealth, even if he lost his life, he would enter the religion brought by our beloved Prophet ﷺ. He informed his uncle of this determination. His uncle kicked him out. Abduluzza came to his mother naked. His mother gave him 2 pieces of gunny. He wrapped himself in these and went to our Prophet ﷺ. Our Prophet ﷺ named him Abdullah, and his nickname became Dhul-Bijadayn, meaning the owner of 2 pieces of gunny. He didn't care to lose his possessions, even his clothes, for the sake of his religion. Quite some time had passed. A military campaign was organized and Abdullah was martyred. Abdullah was placed in the grave by our Prophet ﷺ, and he buried him saying, "O Allah, I am pleased with him. Be pleased with him too."
My grandfather's eyes were teary. As soon as he finished speaking, he stood up. He had left the 2 pieces of gunny he brought on the couch. I reached out and covered myself with it. Perhaps I would understand what it means to be owner 2 pieces of gunny.